Footings are the unsung heroes of bricklaying. They are the solid base upon which your entire wall, and indeed structure, rests. Get the footings right, and you're setting yourself up for success. In this guide, we'll walk you through the process of digging and pouring footings step by step. We'll cover everything from gathering your tools to the final checks. Remember, while this guide is comprehensive, local building codes and soil conditions vary. Always check with your local authorities before you start any digging. Now let's get our hands dirty and build something great from the ground up. Before we even think about digging, let's talk about safety and tools. Having the right gear and using it properly is paramount. For this job, you'll need shovels and spades for digging those trenches, a wheelbarrow to move soil and concrete, string line and stakes essential for marking out, a tape measure because precision is key, a level since we want those footings level, and of course safety glasses and gloves to protect your eyes and hands. Remember, safety is non-negotiable. Always wear your safety gear and take breaks when needed. Accuracy is crucial when marking out your footings. Any errors here will be amplified as you build upwards. First, use your local building codes and plans to determine the exact location and dimensions of your footings. Next, hammer stakes into the ground at the corners of your footing outline. Then, run a string line between the stakes to create a clear visual guide. Double-check your measurements and angles to ensure everything is square and accurate. Section 4. Down to earth. Digging the footings. With your outline marked, it's time to start digging. The depth and width of your footings will depend on your local building codes and the weight they need to support. Start by removing the topsoil within your marked area. Then begin digging your trench, following the string line closely. Keep the sides of the trench as straight and vertical as possible. Use a spirit level periodically to check for plumb. Finally, clear out any loose soil from the bottom of the trench to create a firm and level base. Section 5. Prepping for the pour, getting the trench ready. This is a crucial step in ensuring the longevity and stability of your construction project. Before you pour the concrete, you need to ensure the trench is properly prepared. This involves several important steps that cannot be overlooked. This step will guarantee a strong bond between the footings and the surrounding soil, which is essential for the structural integrity of the building. First, inspect the trench walls and base for any loose soil or debris. Any loose material can compromise the strength of the concrete. Remove any you find and compact the base of the trench using a hand tamper or a vibrating plate compactor. Proper compaction is key to preventing future settling. If your soil is very loose or sandy, you might need to add a layer of compacted gravel before pouring the concrete. This step is particularly important in areas with unstable soil conditions. This will provide additional stability and ensure that the concrete has a solid base to adhere to, preventing cracks and shifts over time. Section 6. The main event, pouring the footings. This is a crucial step in the construction process as the footings provide the foundation for the entire structure. Now, for the main event, pouring the concrete, this is where precision and care are paramount to ensure a strong and stable foundation. It's best to order pre-mixed concrete from a reputable supplier, as this ensures consistency and quality. Mixing it yourself can be tricky for larger jobs, and any inconsistencies can compromise the integrity of the footings. When the concrete arrives, carefully pour it into the trench. Make sure to pour slowly and steadily to avoid any weak spots. Aim for an even depth throughout, as this will provide a uniform base for the structure. Use a shovel to guide the concrete and prevent air pockets, which can weaken the footing. Once poured, use a straight edge or a long, flat piece of wood to level the concrete surface. This step is crucial for ensuring the footing is even and stable. Move the straight edge across the trench with a sawing motion to achieve a smooth and even finish. This will help in creating a solid base for the next stages of construction. Section 7. Job well done, final check and cleanup. This is the moment where all your hard work comes together. With the concrete poured, it's time for the final checks and cleanup. This step ensures that everything is in perfect condition. Use your spirit level again to ensure the concrete surface is perfectly level. This is crucial for the stability of your future structure. Now's the time to make any minor adjustments before the concrete sets. Smooth out any imperfections and make sure the surface is even. Once you're happy with the level, cover the concrete with plastic sheeting to help it cure slowly and evenly. This prevents cracks and ensures durability. Allow the concrete to cure for at least 48 hours, preferably longer, before building on top of it. Patience here will pay off in the long run. Finally, clean your tools and pack away any remaining materials. Keeping your workspace tidy is essential for safety and efficiency. Congratulations, you've laid the foundation for a successful bricklaying project. Your meticulous attention to detail has set you up for success.